and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jasmine. I make lifestyle and beauty videos. If you're returning, welcome as well. Thank you so much for your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look right here that you guys are seeing, and I used the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, go ahead and just keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to start off by doing is doing my eyebrows. So I'm going to be using the NYX Professional Makeup Eyebrow Pencil, which looks like this. I'm just going to go ahead and outline my eyebrows first, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill them in with the same pencil. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. So I think this palette is so pretty. I'm going to show you guys the colors, and look at that. These colors are so beautiful, and I want to go ahead and just try them out. I did try out this palette, I want to say like 3 times already, and I really like the formula. So for today, I think that's what we're going to be using. So first, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids. So for primer, I'm going to go in with my favorite one that never lets me down, which is the NYX Professional Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer, which looks like this. This honestly works so amazing, and your eyeshadow is going to last all day. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit on my eyelid. I'm actually already running out. And I'm going to put that all over my eyelid, and then I'm going to go ahead and distribute it with my finger. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the shade Weekender, just so I can actually... I'm going to go in with the shade Breakaway, which is this light one right here, and just set my eyelids. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. blending brush, which looks like this. And I'm going to go in with that shade Breakaway and just set this primer. Now that our eyelids are set, I think I'm gonna go in first with the shade Riff, which is this pretty brown color right here, and I'm gonna put that on the crease area. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. crease brush, which looks like this, and then I'm gonna be dabbing into that color Riff, and then just focusing this only on the crease. And we're going to be using this as our transition color. And I'm just doing like window motions and just going back and forth. I'm gonna grab a little bit more and then just kind of build up that color. Now I'm gonna be going in with the shade Baja, which is this color right here. It's kind of like an orangey color, like a burnt orange. That's kind of what it reminds me of. And then using the e.l.f. blending brush, which looks like this, I'm gonna be focusing this product on the outer corner and then kind of going into my crease. So the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is just dab it on the corner and then put it towards my crease area. Now I think I want to do like a purple and green type of look today. So I think I'm going to go in with this purple shade right here, which is Hell Ride. And I think I'm going to focus that on the outer corner. I'm going to go in with the Morphe M321 brush. And I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit of that Hell Ride. And then focus this on the outer corner. So first I'm just gonna start, oh my god, this is so pigmented. So first I'm gonna start off by just dabbing it, and then I'm gonna use another brush so I can just blend it out. I think I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. tapered blending brush, which looks like this, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend these colors together so it doesn't have that harsh edge. I'm basically going to keep going back and forth with tapping some more just to really build up that color, and then blending it with the other brush. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Wild Heart and also Guilt Trip. So it's gonna be this one and also this one, and put it on the center. And I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Big Sky, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna go in using my Morphe M456 brush, which looks like this. I'm gonna grab that Big Sky color and put it right on this area. I'm gonna go ahead and try to blend the Big Sky and the Hell Ride together so it doesn't look so harsh. And then now we're gonna go in with my favorite part, which is the eyelashes. Okay, so I have 2 pair of eyelashes, and I don't know if I want to use these ones. I want to use these ones. I think I'm gonna go with Beauty Creations for today's look. So these ones are the eyelashes in Hush Hush, which looks like this. They're like super beautiful, super voluminous, and I feel like it's gonna look really pretty and bring this look together. These are so pretty. You guys need to go and get yourself the Beauty Creations in Hush Hush because they are so beautiful. Oh my goodness, they have so much volume and they're so fluffy. Okay, so I zoomed you guys out so you guys can see the rest of my face. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and prep my face. So the first thing that I'm going to be going in with is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, which looks like this. Now I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, which is a primer and a moisturizer in both. This breakthrough primer hydrates for 24 hours and it also locks onto makeup. Moisturizes with hyaluronic acid. It's lightweight, texture absorbs in seconds, and it helps makeup look good and last for all day. So like the more you massage it into the skin, the more it becomes like a moisturizer, if that makes sense. I'm gonna go in with my Catrice Prime and Fine Poreless Blur Primer, which looks like this. And I'm gonna put this my nose area because that's mostly where I have most of my pores. And this is also gonna help smooth out the skin. So I think I'm trying to decide what foundation I want to use today. But I think I'm gonna go in Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. And I honestly was obsessed with this one for such a long time. And then I am in the shade 220 in Natural Beige. I think it should be good. We're gonna go ahead and find out. So I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a good shade. So now I'm gonna go in with concealer, and I think I'm gonna go in with the Flower Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer, which looks like this. I think I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer as well, just so I can brighten up this concealer a little bit more. Now to set under my eyes, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder, which looks like this. And then I'm just going to go ahead and set my under eyes. I'm going to go in with the Real Technique brush, and this one is the setting brush. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with my COLLAB Set the Stage Ultra Fine Loose Setting Powder, and then just set my entire face with this one. This setting powder honestly sets your face so nicely and your makeup, and it just makes your skin look so smooth, which is one of the reasons why I love it, and I just keep going back to it. Now we're gonna go ahead and just bronze up our face just to give it some color. I think I'm gonna be using my Milani Sun Light Silky Matte Bronzer, which looks like this, and then just bronzing up my face just so I can go ahead and just give it some color. And I'm gonna be going in with the Morphe M405 and just dab that into the product. So now we're gonna go ahead and add some blush. And I think for this look, I think I'm gonna go in with my Burt's Bees blush. And it looks like this. It's just a pretty like brown color. So I don't want to do too much either. for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with my Kokie Soft Glow highlighter, and this one is in the shade Heavenly. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe R36. And I think with the same highlighter, I'm gonna go ahead and put it into my inner corners of my eye. And now let's go ahead and finish up the eyes. So I'll go ahead and zoom you guys in. I think I'm gonna go in with that Hell Ride color and put that underneath. I'm gonna go in with Big Sky. And for our waterline, I think I'm gonna go in with this Bright Blue Essence Long Lasting eyeliner. So now that we got the eyes, let's go ahead and work on the lips. I think I'm gonna go in with my Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in the shade 04, which is just a pretty nude color. And then I'm going to be using my NYX Professional Makeup lipstick in the shade Cali. Now to set the rest of my face, you do feel like super cakey or that the products are like super powdery, I highly recommend using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This honestly just kind of melts everything together, and then it does prolong your makeup so much more. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. So don't forget to shake it. And then this is the completed look. I honestly really like it. So I'm gonna give you guys a close-up so you guys can really see how everything looks like. So I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. I honestly really like using this Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Highly recommend you guys checking out this palette. You can obviously get it, I believe there is a discount going on, I'm not sure, don't quote me, but go ahead and check it out on the Urban Decay website. But if you guys don't have this palette, definitely highly recommend it. The colors are super easy to work with, they're super blendable with each other, they're not too hard. There's a little bit of fallout, but I mean, honestly, I feel like all palettes, even super good ones, especially like this one, are bound to have some fallout, which I personally don't mind. And this eyeshadow is super pretty, and I'm so proud of myself that I was able to even do this. Like, I feel like I get so scared with colors, but anyways, enough talking. I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe down below to be part of my journey here on YouTube. Don't forget to hit that post notification button to be notified every time I post a new video, and I'll go ahead and see you guys on the next one. Bye!